Hello, I'm Chef Craig Claude, Culinary Services Manager for Schwan's Food Service. Today I'm going to show you the steps for baking a pizza in an Impinger oven. First, you want to preheat your oven to the proper temperature and set your belt speed. When your oven has reached the desired temperature, place your pizza on the belt and bake according to package directions. You can find the proper oven settings for the product you are using here on the side panel. Once your pizza comes out, check your pizza for doneness by putting your thermometer in the center of the pizza. The temperature should read at least 185 degrees Fahrenheit and at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit for par-baked pizza. Remove your pizza from the oven and place on a cutting board. Let your pizza stand for 3 to 5 minutes before cutting.